gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. My girl be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
What's good, lovelies? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna do my mother's hair. So we're gonna try to do a sleek ponytail with a fake ponytail. Now, yes, she has a lot of hair, sis, but we like the dramatic look. And I'm just gonna do a whole get ready with me. Of her with eyelashes and makeup. But before we get into this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Murray's. Just gonna section her hair and then put it on each section to make it really sleek. Okay, so now I'm working on the other side, doing the same thing I did on the other side. And then the top piece, I'm just gonna slick it the same way I did the other sides, but make it come more towards her face. And I'm just trying to see how I want to lay it. So right now I'm just using a comb because it's way easier, and I'm just going to make sure it's super slick and laid because her hair was spreading apart. So to avoid her hair spreading, I'm just going to make sure it is super sleek. So right here I'm going to put another ponytail holder. So first I put it in the ponytail, and then I put another ponytail holder on top of that one to put that piece of hair. And then I'm going to make sure that it is slick. I thought that the Murray's would be a little harder, but in actuality it was super, like, just greasy. It wasn't even like hard, and it didn't make her hair hard. So her hair started spreading apart. So yeah, she wanted to use a scrunchie, and I was like, girl, that is so old school. So anyways, just making sure everything is laid. Her baby hair is the way she wanted to be laid. Okay, so she didn't like the way her baby hairs was, so she was gonna lay on herself so she wants to lay. So now we're going to use the blow dryer because she sprayed spritz on it, which is hairspray. She sprayed the hairspray on it, so we're going to hopefully hope that it's going to be harder than the Murray's. So just trial and error with her hair because I never know what to do with different type of hairs. So we got it super slick right now, and I'm just going to put all her hair in a bun and use bobby pins to secure it, and then put the ponytail on. Now sis, the beauty of this ponytail is that it comes with this string and you can just keep wrapping it around, and then I like to add bobby pins to it just to make sure it's super secure. Okay, so now it's time for her hair accessories. Usually some people put it in the front, but she actually wants hers in the back. Y'all, she like, hell no, not in the front. So we just gonna put it in the back.
What we do here is go back.
So somebody didn't want us to be great and they want to interrupt our video. So yeah, that's what we do right now. They're talking to us. But anyways, it is time for some makeup. This is the finished look. So now we're gonna do her makeup. And it kind of looks really natural. Oh, there's my baby right there. All my kids, So
no,
we want you guys to know
this kind of hair. Yes
to gel and no to Murray's for this type of hair, because it just doesn't work out for us. Okay, so off camera I worked on her eyebrows and I put a little concealer under her eyes and around her eyebrows. So now I'm gonna use BB cream. We are so happy that we found a shade that matches her skin, because boy was it hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit because she doesn't like the cakey look. She likes the more natural look, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, so she doesn't have any contour, so I'm just gonna make some with her concealer. She has a darker concealer, so I'm just gonna, you know, use it as a contour. Alright, so now we're gonna work on her eyes. First I put some eyeshadow, and then I'm just gonna use, it's funny, I'm gonna use my highlighter to put on top of her eyeshadow. So this glue changed my life. It works so well. But we're gonna apply these lashes, and we're gonna make sure they're cute. Okay, so I have to test it out first to see if it was gonna be too big or I don't have to cut it or no, but it was actually perfect for her eyes. I didn't even have to cut it or anything like that. So we're just gonna apply them right off the box.